Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about the WIMP interfaces. I've already discussed about windows and icons. Today we will discuss about the menus and why menus are more good than the icons that we also see, and what are the issues with the menus and how menus are different, which I've already discussed in the previous slide, but here I will discuss with some more important points about the menus. Like, let's see just 1 minute what is we discuss about the menus. Here I've already told you menus where so many options are available on a screen and we need to choose one option among many. Like it's like it's like not things to recall, it's like to recognize the things, you can say, means things are there but you are just recognizing. Okay, like if we are going to do the payment, then payment option is there, via the net banking option is there, or via the cash is there, back option is there. So you need to select one option among the many. It is just available on the menus, fine. And it can be selected by the numbers, letter, arrows, restricted full form or restrictive form of full WIMP system. Fine, menus is a restrictive form. And you have found these menus on a vending machine also when you used to travel by the metro. So if you use the vending machine, then there is also menus is there. If you are accessing the ATM, then also menus is there. So menu is not a new term, it's a very simple and it's a very common term. Even you can say the menu similar which you used to get in your restaurants, but that menu is different from this menu. And that is also, you can say that menu is also like you have to select one dish among the menu. So many dishes are available there and you need to select only one dish. So it just to make the easier interaction between the human and machine, or you can say in a restaurant humans and so many chefs are there or waiters are there, and you by the menus you can easily tell them, yeah, I need to order this pizza or this pastry. You know, need to ask them ki, what are the things are available, or they also need not to explain you these are the things, but just you will look at the menu and you will choose one of the thing and you will order, fine. So we can say that the menu make our system very menu make our interface more interactive, more easier. Anyone can easily interact with the with the system. Or we can also say that there are many kind of menus, but the very most important is a pull down menu is there. What is pull down menu? Let's suppose I have clicked on a file. Let's suppose here option is given about the options. So if you are click on it, then many options will be available towards the downside. So you can select one of the option and then you can reach on that option. So this is called as pull down menu, means you have clicked, then it will slide downwards where you can see the many options. Basically a menu is a set of options providing you, fine. Only options and options are there, but options in providing in a various different forms. If from one thing, like if there is a file and you need to there is also an option like new, edit. Edit is something like new option is there, save is there, save as is there. They all are come under the category of file option. If there is a edit, then also under option is under the come under the category of edit. So if you click on file, then it will slide towards the downside, and among them you can select one of the options. This is called as pull down menu, and this is very applicable in payment system also, because in payment we have a various modes for the payment, like card option, net option, banking option, back option. So we are selecting only one single option and we are going towards that page. Means if click single thing and two of items are there and I need to select only one item, then it will put lot of efforts. And if you can say like if single options is there, like option typewriter is there, fine. And among typewriter screen times, if you have like thousands of options are there in a menu, if you are using the pull down menu, and in a pull down menu if thousands of options are there, then it will it will put the lot of efforts to the human, and your interface will be completely waste, because you are trying to that interface which is easier to interact, which make the smoother interaction between the human and the machine. But if you have to choose among the thousands of menus, then it will create a difficulty. So What is the solution of that problem? The solution of that problem is cascading. Means you are just providing you are providing the various groups. Among the groups, the things are found. Like if I have a option like departments, if I'm accessing the website ADJ ITM website, okay, I need to go towards the IT department. First, I will open the ADJ ITM website. Then there is the option like department, faculties, and all other things. Because they are logically grouped into the another things. Like if ADJ item website and many options like departments, then IT, civil, mechanical, faculty, everything will be like without any group is to be found, and it is very difficult for you ki which option I need to access, where I need to go. So it's better ki I will put those things in a single group, and according to my interest I will access only that group. And this is a good example to provide the facility or to make it easier interaction between the human and the machine. Like cascading menu. Fine. I hope we have cleared about the cascading menu. Now let's see what is menu. Choice of operations or a service offered on the screen. On a screen you have many operations, many services are provided there, but you have to make a choice among them. Which options you need to choose, that comes a menu. Required options selected with the pointer. Like if there is an edit or if there is an option, so typewriter, screen time, these are the options, and you have to choose according to your convenience, according to your choice. What is the problem with the menu? It takes lot of screen space because big screen is showing to you and so many options are there, so it will be take a lot of screen space. And but the screen space was less in the icons, as you have remembered, because we are iconifying the whole window into a smaller icon. So there was a space, there we are saving the space, but here space problem is there. But what are the solution? Pop-up menu. Menu appears when needed. If there is not required, like cascading menu or cascading menu is a kind of pop-up menu, or you can say that pull-down menu is also like a pop-up menu. Means only these are options are available on your screen, file, edit options. But if you have required the further options, if you will click on the further option, then only this option will be available. It means it's like a pop-up menu. Fine. Now next, what does menu bar at the top of screen? Normally menus drag down. At your screen, so many menus are available, like pull down menu, drop down menu, and the fall down menu. These are the categories of the menu. Pull down menu, drop down menu, and fall down menu. What is in pull down menu? Mouse, hold and drag down menu. Mouse, hold and drag down the menu. You will hold the mouse on a particular menu and then you will drag down. Drop down means mouse click reveals the menu. If you will click on a mouse, then it will reveal you. If you remove the mouse, then it will not reveal you. Fine. Now, next is fold down menus. Mouse just moves over the bar. Fine. If over the bar, if you are clicking the mouse, then it means fold down menu. Next is contextual menu appears where you are. Wherever you are to be found, according to that context, your menu is to be appear. First is pop-up menu and the pie menus. Pop-up menu means action for a selected object, not for a whole things. It is just for the selected object actions. And pie menus arranged in a circle. If there is a circle and many things are there, like 50%, 40%, 10%, 12%, and these are according to your circle. And in from the menu or in a range circle, you are selecting the things. Easier to select the item, larger target area, quicker, same distance to any option, but not widely used. Pies menus are not widely used. Pop-ups menus are usually used. Fine. Next is menu extra, cascading menu. Cascading menu means to group the things into, to make the things in a logical group, like hierarchical menu structure, menu selections, options, new menus, and so in infinitum. I've already told you, if we are making the so many menus on our screen, then it will be very difficult for the user which options I need to select, which options I need to select, which option I need to avoid. But if I put in a proper groups, logical groups, then among the logical group I will select one option and then I will work accordingly. Fine. Next is a keyboard accelerator. What is keyboard accelerator? Key combination. same effect as a menu item. Two kinds of keyboard accelerator: active when menu open, active when menu closed. Keyboard accelerator according to your menu, when menu is closed and when menu is open. When menu is open, okay? When menu is closed, then usually first letter, and when menu is closed, control plus letter usually different. Now, what are the menu designs issues? Which kind to use, which kind of menu we are going to use, what to include in menus at all, what are the things which we are going to use in our menu, word to use, which word to use, action or a description, how to group the items. Means if we are making the cascading groups in item, then how we are going to develop that groups. Choice of keyboard accelerator, like for the closing the menus or for open the menus, we will choose it accordingly. Pointers we will discuss later on. I hope you have cleared about this. So in a WIMP interface, we have covered the windows, icons and menus. Pointer we will discuss in the next lecture. And do you know, we are not going to discuss about that pointers which are in a programming, object-oriented programming, like it's like a variable, we store the address of another variable. It's not like that. Pointers which we will hear in the interface, just to make the interaction very effective between the user and the machine. Please keep in mind always our main purpose of the interfaces in the interaction style, just to make it very easy, very comfortable, so that user will not hesitate to interaction with the machine. And as much user will interact with the machine, as much we will get the more productivity. So always our main purpose is to make the interaction very easy and comfortable. To make the our comfortable so that the user can interact more and more with the machine. And Windows, I've already discussed area of a screen, behavior, they were independent. And next is the icons, small pictures, so the images are there. And menus, many options are there and you need to select one option among the many. Fine, that's a problem, like lot of screen space. Solution is pop-up menu appears when it menu bar. So many menus are there: pull down menu, drop down menu, fall down menu, contextual menu. Everything should be contextual, like icons should also be contextual, menus should also be contextual, according to your facility, according to your convenience, which kind of method you are going to use, related to that menu should be there. Like if you are going to payment and if there is an option for the departments, IT department, civil department, then it is not relevant, na? So we are always trying to make that kind of menu which are relevant to our context, so that the user feel the easiness in using the menus. Fine. Cascading menus means to provide the menus in a groups, in a logical group, so that we can select one of the menu among the many. Now keyboard accelerator, like active when closed, active when menu open, usually first letter. These are the key issues. These are because if we are going to develop anything, then there can be many problems, like which kind to use, what kind of menu to use, like drop down menu to be used, cascading menu to use, what to include in menus at all, means what kind of items we can develop in our menus, but what are the words or action for the description, which kind of actions we can use, how to group the items, or a choice of keyboard accelerator. Choice of keyboard accelerator is very important, ki either to be the menu open or the menu close. These are the things which we need to keep in mind during the develop of menus, but these issues were not in the icons and windows. Every interface have some different kind of issue, so we need to choose the interface according to our convenience. Fine. Now next we will discuss about the pointers. Thanks a lot.